nigga said something. Thought a nigga said something. G-Block, all we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum. G-Block, all we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum. Nigga, all we know is little pigs, let me come in. Not by the hair on your chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
Si Iya, sobrang bait niyan. Masunurin. Sa akin ha, ewan ko sa kanya.
What you gonna do with all that
Happy
junk?
18th birthday, Iya. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung mga pangarap mo. Matupad lahat. Kahit na anong mangyari, dito na kami. Yung mga struggles mo. Huwag kang magpapanginaan ng loob. Yun lang, fight lang, laban lang. Kasi diyan kita pinalaki.
Treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices. Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana. Karen, they be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass. And 7 jeans, true religion. I say no, but they keep giving. So I keep on taking. And no,
Bata pa lang is fashionista na. Siya yung ganong bata.
Ganong vibe niya.
Yes, na. And masipag mag-aral. Mapagmahal sa kapwa. And maalahanin. Ayun.
Oh, maalalahanin.
Maalahanin siya kahit na lagi
Hindi
kami
ka
nag-aaway.
maalalahanin daw.
I wish that all of your dreams would come true and happiest 18th birthday, my love. I love you. Love you.
on me, on me, on me.
Wala na akong i-wish kay Iya eh. Kasi nakikita ko sa kanya, desidido siya eh, na makukuha niya yung gusto niya. May tiwala ako sa kanya. Wish her all the best. I love you, Iya.
I've been throw up the sex in a
Happy legally legal to my very beautiful, brainy, very demure, very mindful, very cutesy Vice President.
I can put you in. I've been
And thank you kay God kasi meron kaming Iya na napakabait and mabuting anak. Hindi sakit sa ulo. Yan. Higit sa lahat, maganda. I wish happiness. Yan, lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo. Maging masaya ka kasi everything follows. Lahat yan susunod. Lahat sa mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay. Ngingiti ka lang. Kasi makita ka namin nakangiti, mas triple sa amin ang daging.
Trying to come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need
Happy
reason.
birthday. I wish you all the best and have to be successful and have a great husband.
Bata pa yun.
Throw up the sex in a and I can put you in. I can put you in.
Alam mo, ikaw yung first baby namin bago si Sia, si Serena, at saka si Zero. Happy 18th birthday. Magpakabait ka and magtapos ng pag-aaral.
Go ahead and get undressed. I am okay, cool. You on Sunset? I'm about to slide, okay. I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides, except for the lack of time I get around my family, making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been throw up the sex in a and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in a
Happy legal, illegal, iya! Turning 18 is such a fed.
What you in?